Tax refund update. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's video, we have the latest update from the irs.gov website on the amount of tax returns still waiting to be processed, as well as what you need to do if the IRS make a correction on your tax return that you do not agree with. The IRS is stating that they are having to correct more and more tax returns this year. So if they take a negative action on your tax return, you do have appeal rights. All right. We are also going to go over the 3 contracted collection agencies. The IRS recently contracted these agencies to collect past due payments. We are going to list all 3 agencies and how this new process will work. But before we begin, as always, make sure you check out the income tax refund playlist as well as the advanced child tax credit playlist. It will be pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box for all of your latest timely updates, as well as loads of helpful tutorials like how to speak with the IRS, how to schedule an in-person appointment, and much more. Make sure you check those videos out. Now for today's update shared from IRS, where is your tax refund? We are starting with the last update, and that last update stated that the IRS had at that time 7.8 million on processed returns. All right, now for today's update, the most recent update, which is today, October 1st, the IRS is reporting they have 7.6 million on processed individual returns. As you can see, a very small decrease. The IRS is slowing down tremendously with the amount of tax returns they are processing weekly. They were doing over 1 million a week. They are doing now the more difficult tax returns, and individual on process returns include tax year 2020 with those that require errors and correction due to the recovery rebate credit or the validation of the 2019 income used to calculate your earned income tax credit and your additional child tax credit. The IRS is having to correct significantly more errors on tax returns than in previous years, and they're stating in some cases it is taking over 120 days for them to complete your tax return. If the IRS make a correction to any of your credits claim on your tax returns, the IRS will send you, the taxpayer, an explanation. All right, if you disagree with the changes the IRS has made, you must contact the IRS at the number on the letter provided to you. You must contact them within 60 days from the date the letter is mailed to you if you wish to appeal the IRS decision. You will get a letter informing you of your appeal rights, and that letter will be a letter 647. But before you receive the 647 letter, you should have previously received a letter notice titled CP11, CP12, or CP13. These are the notices that the IRS will send explaining the change and exactly what action they took on your tax return. All right, now the Internal Revenue Service has awarded new contracts to 3 private sector collection agencies for collection of overdue tax debt. The new contracts began September 23rd, 2021, taxpayers with unpaid tax bills may be contacted by one of the following three agencies. The first agency is CBE Group, and you have the address and contact information there. Coastal Professional contact information as well as the address, and Conserve. All right, so make sure you take a notation of all three of these collection agencies if you owe the IRS any past due payment. It says the IRS will always notify you before transferring your account to the private collection agency. The IRS will send you a letter as well as your tax representative informing both of you that your account was assigned to one of these agencies. It says that mailing will include a copy of publication 4518, what you can expect when the IRS assign your account to the private collection agency. The private collectors will identify themselves as contractors collecting taxes on behalf of the IRS. Employees of these collection agencies, the IRS state, they must follow the provisions of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and like the IRS employees, they must be courteous and must respect taxpayer rights. Private firms are not authorized to take enforcement action against you, the taxpayer, so they can only try and collect the past due amount. They cannot take any further action like a notice of federal tax lien or issuing of a levy. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of your advanced child tax credit updates, tax refund updates, stimulus updates. Make sure you check out the Motivational Monday playlist, as well as the playlist on how you can get your credit report free from all three major credit bureaus. And I will see everyone again very soon.